Hi everyone, this is my 5th week of field experience for LME 590. This week I got to continue my education through a webinar offered through edweb.net. This webinar was called Flip Badge This, Teaching Students to Love Databases. I learned how giving students badges through online programs is more than just a digital sticker, but can be used as a resume builder in some cases. This week I continue with many of my same tasks of collaboration, shelving books, and working at the circulation desk. I did learn a new task this week. I learned how to cover books with the fancy book covering machine. After watching 2 demonstrations, I was ready to try on my own. I messed up the first try and successfully completed on my second try. Walking around the library this month at GCMS, you may notice that some of the books are backwards. The reason is this month at GCMS, we are highlighting mysteries. So the books turned around backwards are mystery books. Students are encouraged to try something new and simply choose a mystery book and not even see what it's about, but just check it out and read it. I think that the kids found this really fun and a new and exciting way to choose a book. I was able to take my team of students to the library this week for their library visit. I enjoy helping my students find books and enjoy seeing what they are interested in by what they choose to read. Kentucky Bluegrass Award voting continued this week. Here's the ballot box for students to vote. Here are the list of books on the ballot that students can vote for. Currently, at our school, the book Soar is in the lead. And then a takeaway idea for my future library that I learned about this week is a request and suggestion box. This allows students to provide input and for the librarian to seek new ideas in order to improve the library. I enjoyed my field experience in the library this week, and I look forward to learning more and to one day being a librarian. Thank you.